The interlog is provided in the drawing, right?
Yeah, it is provided. Yes, it is provided.
Okay. So guys, I mean, we are moving slowly. We have come up to here.
It's important.
Yeah. That we have
It
considered.
is heart of the plant.
Yeah.
And your other parts are not important.
Yeah. Oh yeah, sure. I mean, when we come to the more flow high level, we will again come back here. Again, just to, I mean, satisfy the team, we have come up to here. We have taken this, SG valve closure. And after that, we have taken the blockage of this MVR, any or many. And we have taken the, safeguard here. We have considered this PT to provide the LAMPAH. And this is a normal valve. This is normal valve, right? This is?
Which one?
This is for the drain. This is for the drain. During the CIP only.
Yeah.
This is the overflow channel.
Yeah.
This is overflow.
This is
channel.
for
Overflow line.
The black, it don't
This
the
touch this one.
black portions.
Which one? This one?
This whole system above, where is air supply? That is air supply.
Yeah, this is air supply.
compressor only.
It should be part of that node.
No. For air compressor, we have taken another node. I have taken another node.
It is black one.
Black one means which one?
Yeah, this,
This one?
yeah, above, after that, all the wall systems are demotorized, level switches above.
This one?
Yeah,
These are the safeguard. No, we have taken this one.
part of it, no.
That
No, these safeguard.
That part of it is considered.
Node 8.
No data.
No data. Yeah.
this one for discharging the
So it's a part of node.
Yeah. We'll yes. We'll consider there.
So we will not review here.
Yeah, we'll not review here. Otherwise, in the revercant, this is correct. Going for next one. So we are coming here. Tank. After this, we are coming in tank.